Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to OBI TV Ghana. My name has always been Abuchi Kosino, and I've been your tutor for all this while. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do what to do so. In today's video, we'll be talking about the unboxing of CCTV cameras. And before anything, don't forget, if you have any CCTV camera to be installed for you, or if you have any office or anything that is up to dear to your heart that you need CCTV cameras to be installed for, or any form of security systems, please do what to contact us on our numbers displayed on the screen, and we'll always be at your service. Now, in today's video, like I said earlier, we'll be talking about the unboxing of CCTV cameras. In our previous videos, we were talking about analog cameras. Okay, we were talking about the types of cameras, and we spoke about analog cameras and then the IP cameras. But we elaborated mainly on the analog cameras, and today we'll be talking about the unboxing of analog cameras. When you unbox a camera, what are you supposed to see? Okay, so you're not going to be cheated out there, so you should note this. So I'm going to there are so many brands out there. We have the Hikvision, we have Tiandi, we have Vision, so on and so forth. So I have with me here a Hikvision brand. Okay, a Hikvision brand, like you are seeing here, a Hikvision brand. Hikvision, this is the brand I have here, and we are going to be unboxing this Hikvision brand. And the settings you are going to be seeing and everything are the same for all the brands. Okay, but it's just that you have to go through just some series of other things, but they are all the same. Okay, good. So when you unbox now, this is a 4-channel DVR. Okay, this is a 4-channel DVR, 2MP 4-channel DVR. Okay, so when you buy a 4-channel DVR, what are you supposed to look like, or what are you supposed to look at? Okay, when you look at the description here, it tells you everything about the DVR. Okay, it tells you everything you're supposed to know about the DVR. But one thing I would always advise is this: do not concentrate or put your whole ideology on the fact that they've written it here, so that is it. No. When you buy, remove whatever that is inside. First of all, you're supposed to get yourself some manuals. Okay, you get yourself some manuals for the new time installation. You're supposed to get yourself these. Okay, they are in there, you can read them. It comes in so many languages, so you can read them. English is a part of it. All right, and also this is the DVR, the whole DVR. This is it. This is what we call the DVR. Okay, and this is an 8-channel DVR. How do I know it's an 8-channel? Yes, the box might say it is 8-channel, but inside of it, it can be a 4-channel DVR. So how would you know? When you check these connectors here, the B and C connectors here, you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I am certain this is an 8-channel DVR. All right. When you look at the back here too, you see a port here for the power. This is the port for power. All right, and then these ones here are the USB ports. So if you want to put in how do you call it, an external drive that uses USB, or anything at all, a mount that uses USB, you can use that. And then this is the LAN port, okay, or the Ethernet port, and this is what you use when you want to connect the phone to, or you want to connect your phone or any mobile device to this. All right, you have to connect this to a router or an internet source, so you have to use this one, and it comes with the same Cat6 cable. Some are already terminated. When you buy the router, it's already terminated in it. I'll show it to you very soon. And then these ones are for the audio. Okay, when you want to bring the audio out, okay, to an external speaker, you use these ones. And then this is for display. This is the VGA. Okay, that is the VGA display output here. And then this is also the HDMI. So you can use any of them. You can choose to use this or this. Okay, any of them. But if you have two monitors, okay, you can use all the two. This will go to one monitor, and then this will also go to another monitor. Okay, but you can, nowadays there are more advanced systems now, so you can just use one, and then you put it with a splitter, and then it splits the video for you. So you can just use any of them, one of them, and then you are good to go. And this is where all the cameras come to, so you should note that as well. So this is how the DVR is, and inside of the DVR you will get a hard drive. The hard drive doesn't come with the DVR. Okay, you're supposed to buy the hard drive separate from the DVR, and then when you open the DVR, you will actually fix the DVR inside. In our next video, I'll be fixing the DVR inside, and then you will know. So do what to subscribe to the channel, and then you will see what I'm talking about. You also have here a router. Okay, so it is this router that is going to give this the internet source we need, or the internet supply we need. And the routers come in different brands. Okay, so this is a particular brand we have. And then when you open this box, this was supposed to see. You're supposed to find yourself a router. This is a universal router anyway. So you're supposed to find yourself a router. And some of the routers, these antennas are not fixed, so you have to just fix them. Okay, but this is already fixed. So, and this is also a pre-configured router. It is not a Cisco router, anything. This is a pre-configured router. Some of the routers out there do have inbuilt batteries. So some of them have inbuilt batteries, and then the inbuilt batteries are here. Okay, that is when the power goes off, it gives it power as well. And these are the LAN ports or the Ethernet ports where we'll be taking the internet from in the form of a cable to the DVR. All right, and then this is for the telephone. This is for the telephone. All right, and then I think that is that for now. Before I move to anything, this is where you insert your SIM card. Okay, this is where you insert your SIM card. So enough of the routers, and let's move to another thing. Last time I was talking to you about the power supply, right? Good. I believe I never showed you a picture, but I think you saw a picture, but I never brought it here for you to see. So this is what we call the power supply. Okay, like I told you, we have the 8-channel power supply, we have the 4-channel power supply, 16-channel power supply, 36-channel power supply. So it comes in channels, and then the number of cameras you buy is the number of power supplies you also buy. All right. So this is the power supply. This is also another brand called the Hikvision. Okay, good. So you can see here, if you want to, please, anytime you buy anything with this, please take it out of the box and then count them to make sure they are as you want them. So if you count the negative and positive as 1, 2, so if you count them, they'll be exactly 8. So this is what we call the power supply. Good. It comes with a connector as well, so you should note that as well. I showed you some of the cameras, the bullet cams and then the dome cams. So these are all some examples of the bullet cams and the dome cams. I think you've already seen them in our previous video. If you haven't watched our previous video, please do what to do so you'd understand this better. Now there was something I was always talking about. I was telling you there are some hidden cameras, right? Good. Some of them are very small. I was illustrating and stuff, but I never showed you some of it. Now this is an example of a hidden camera, very small as this. You can just fold it in your palm like this. Okay, and some of the hidden cameras are analog, like I was telling you. And if you watch our previous video, you understand why there's an analog camera when I do this. So please do well to go and then watch. I'm not going to dive deep into that because I've already spoken about it. So do well to go and then watch that video now. Then you come back and then you watch this one, and then you get a perfect understanding of what I am talking about. So this is a hidden camera. This is a hidden camera. Good. Now let's move on. We have what we call the junction box I was talking to you about. All the connectors would be on in this junction box, and then the camera would be on the junction box. All right. Stay tuned because in my next video I'll be giving you a demonstration on how these cameras are being fixed. All right. Good. So you have a junction box, and then the video balloons. Last time I told you there are so many brands of video balloons. I showed you a particular brand of a video balloon. This is also another brand of a video balloon. This is also another brand of a video balloon. I told you they come in pairs. So you can see it is in a pair. 1 in, 1 out. I'll explain 1 in, 1 out in my next video. Good. And like I said, the twisted pair cable we'll be using. Okay, the TP cable. It comes in a box. Okay, we have the 305 meters, and then we have the 100 meters. So depending on the building or depending on the meters you want to use, and then that is the kind of cable or the meter of cable you buy. All right, and these comes in 2 types. Okay, these type of cables comes in 2 types. You have the STP, that is the shielded twisted pair, or the outdoor cable, and then we have the unshielded twisted pair, that is the UTP, and that is the indoor cable. So when you go out there and you're buying a cable, a TP cable, sometimes people do call it a Cat 6 cable. Okay, so when you go to shop and then someone says Cat 6, it is still the TP cable because the TP cable comes in categories. You have Cat 5, Cat 5E, Cat 6, Cat 6E, Cat 7, so on and so forth. But as of now, the most commonly used cable out of the TP cable, the most commonly used category is the Cat 6. So sometimes people do refer to this as the Cat 6 cable. Okay, and it comes in different colors. So we are using a UTP, an unshielded twisted cable. Okay, an unshielded twisted cable, an unshielded twisted pair. So that is that for today's video. Stay tuned and don't forget to call us for any of your CCTV camera installations to be done for you. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.